Now our question is, find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are root 2 and minus 3 by 2 respectively. Also find its zeros. Here this is the sum of zeros and product of zero, not the zeros given to us. Okay. So sum is equal to root 2 and product is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we know that required polynomial is x square minus sx plus p. So this polynomial will be equal to minus root 2x and minus plus and minus of 3 by 2. So this is equal to x square minus root 2x minus 3 by 2. This is our required polynomial. But in this question, also find its zeros. Now we want to find out the zeros of this polynomial, and how we will find out? Again by splitting the middle term method. Okay. Now when we take 1 by 2 common, or you can say that when we take 2 LCM, then we obtain 2x square minus 2 times of root 2x and minus 3. Okay. Now to find out the zeros of a polynomial, we know that when we equate this polynomial equal to 0, 1 by 2, 2x square minus 2 times of root 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Why we are equating this polynomial equal to 0? Because we want to find out the zeros of this polynomial. And what is the meaning of zeros of a polynomial? We want to find out a value, and for that value this polynomial becomes 0. That value we want to find out. Now in this case, when we take 1 by 2 to the right hand side, it converts in 0. Now 2x square minus 2 times of root 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now find out the linear factors of this polynomial. Now it is an equation. Now 3 2 ja 6. Product is equal to minus 6 and sum is equal to minus 2 times of root 2. So how we can write down this term as, this term will be equal to, can we write down this term as minus 3 times of root 2 and plus root 2. Minus 3 times of root 2 and plus root 2, and product of these two terms is root 2 into root 2 is 2 and 3 2 ja 6. Product is minus 6 and sum of these two values is minus 3 times of root 2 and plus root 2, and this sum is equal to minus 2 times of root 2. It means these two values satisfies this condition. So we can write down this term as 2x square minus 3 times of root 2x plus root 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now from first and second term, which value is common? 2 is present here and this value is root 2. And we know that how we can write down 2? 2 as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 x square minus 3 times of root 2x plus root 2x and minus 3 is equal to 0. Now from first and second term, which value is common? Root 2x is common. So which term is left here? Root 2x and minus root 2x. Root 2x is common, so minus 3 is left. From third and fourth term, which value is common? Only 1 is common, root 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now again, from this first and second term, which value is common? Root 2x minus 3. Root 2x minus 3 is common, so which term is left? Root 2x and plus 1. Now these two linear factors we obtain from this quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now equate these linear factors equal to 0 and root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So root 2x is equal to 3 and x is 3 divided by root 2. This is our first 0, and second 0 is root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Root 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 divided by root 2. So this is our second 0. First 0 is x is equal to 3 divided by root 2, and second 0 is x is equal to minus 1 divided by root 2. So we obtain here these two zeros, and these two zeros are the required value, because in this question we want to find out also find its zeros. Okay.